We are on the way, snorkel and dive at the basin. We're missing one. We're missing two actually. Go see what we can see. Got the fins, mate. It's pretty busy. Trying to find the perfect place to enter. But I think I might walk around the other side, where it's a bit deeper, Red John. If I even can. Fucking shit. How is it?
Lovely. Get your hole in here.
Get your hole in here, laddie. I don't want to jump in.
Well, you don't. My feet are on the floor, so I don't like dive or anything.
Dive, lad. Where's the skipper?
I'm not sure. I thought we'd probably find them up somewhere doing stretches somewhere or something.
Just making sure Sid and Wendell are all sorted. Fuck, that's funny. He's so fucking funny. I brought the boys, just pulls them out and fucking sits them down.
are, yep. Hello. We've got your dad over here.
It's not a thing anymore. Your dad. And we tried to leave the house.
We just had dinner.
And the doorways are too small.
Got Tony, got Flipper Skipper. Tony's on the CC.
Well, hell yeah.
Craig was smoking a little cigarette down there. You've been heavy on the smokes.
That guy asks you, hey, to confirm. He's like talking to shit. He's like, fuck.
I'm heavy on the vapes. I'm speaking to the people. Them, not it. But yeah, early night tonight, guys. We've got all our night lines on. Pretty high tide, so we've got the fender out. Loosened up that bow line, lifted up our forward springer, lifted up midship springer. We've got our starboard line reaching over. Keep us nice and close. Don't speak about that. You're not hearing anything. Got this, have to put the lily pad down so it reaches. Yeah, usually we're fucking climbing like a Mount Everest up to the jetty and we're pretty level with it. You see my toes? And the jetty is right there. Got a big moon up there. Does this thing zoom? Nah. There's a fucking party boat over there. At least they've got lights on. So yeah. The island's calming down slowly. Kinda. But anywho's, I'm about to go and download the footage from this morning. Go and see some of our snorkel footage.
And you are trying to.
Yeah. Nice little dive in the morning. Another charter with 30 people, 29 actually to be precise. And then we'll boost back home to Menra. And then these cunts are up here next week and I'm not. I'm on fucking dolphin cruises. Dolphins. Are you going to Broome tomorrow? I mean Monday. Tony?
Huh?
Are you going to Broome on Monday?
No, I can't. I've told them to let me do phone consultations.
Phone consultations.
Flying out on Monday.
Yes, chef.
It's too hard.
But anywho, we'll see you all in the morning for our morning dive.
What happened?
My vaporizer fell in the water.
What did you learn?
Do not leave it in this baggy pocket when I'm pulling things out of the water. At least it wasn't my phone.
Oh, that would have been fucking tragic.
However, my phone would have recovered. How do we feel if Ledgy's not that he's tied up with the rope? Like that, what would we rate Ledgy's not?
If you were tying up a fucking snatch, maybe.
Anywho's, here we are.
Going for a dive.
And this little man, I'm trying to wake him up this morning and he's like, I'm like going like this, tapping him and he's like, looks around with one eye like a whale and then goes back to sleep. And then I go back down and I'm like, wake up. Tired. You're tired? Mm-hmm. I'm like, you want to go to sleep? So, left him be again. And I found crackers in his bed as I went to wake him up as well because he's a fucking little snacker. Loves a good snack, this man. It's ridiculous. But now I'm worried about my phone, so I'm going to love and leave you, and I'll see you real soon.
So we're going for a dive, early morning dive. big dog, the big ledge.
First, can we get the coffee before fucking yes?
I need a little puff of a cigarette.
Sissy, you got the camera?
Yeah. You want that?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Filming what?
Me. What do you want?
Are you talking? Oh fuck, you need a mic then.
The video's what I'm wearing. Hello, brother bear. Really upset, got small vapourizer. I need to get that out. What's that? Hey guys, just getting out all my equipment. Hey y'all. I'm going upstairs now. I was just making my bed.
Okay then. Let's go fucking anchor this boat off.
You'll need to assist me.
Yeah, no worries. Today we're doing our skills. This is what we do, baby. This is living. Come out for a wee dive. Before charter. Get one of our sunky pots. Tired as fuck. The worst sleep last night. Stayed up till 2 in the morning editing videos. Intended to go to bed at 10. But hey.
It's actually really warm, eh?
It's fucking boiling. I woke up like that. My
Sweating.
got flat out at night too.
Oh, I forgot that I've got a microphone on me. I don't really like that.
Why?
I was just talking. And then what if I get caught talking to myself?
Fucking Craig and his troll valve.
He was all excited this morning.
He was?
Yeah. Are they our pots?
Couple of.
Oh, should we get bait out? What are we doing about that?
After. It's thin heads, we'll just smash them apart.
He's over here.
I don't know why I gifted the camera.
Like crazy, that.
Yeah.
Kind of scares me though, because this is where we get sharks when we're pulling pots, and now we're going to dive here? Like, really? So I think that's our pots just there. And one over there, one over, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5 over there. Oh, but I thought there was 2 there. Oh, I don't know. We were talking about having to change our floats because everyone out here has obviously got 2 floats. Some people have like white and yellow floats the same as us. But then they've got like white and orange, they've got white and pink, white and fucking green. So it's not as if we could just change our colour scheme. We might need to fucking actually... Oh my my god. Oh, we might need to put an
Look
extra
at your little
float
butt
on.
hanging out.
Oh, better not. You better cut that bit. I just turned it round onto my butt. Better cut that. Hayden will not be happy. Sorry, y'all. Is that a fresh cigarette? Mm-hmm.
You hold that.
I'd love to hold that.
Is this fucking thing out already?
Not the very keen on these coffees. Tastes like water with milk powder in it. That's about it.
The sachets of shit. That's why I drink two.
I might put an extra, like, actual spoonful of coffee in there. A wee spoon of coffee. Can I have a little puff of that? Let me choke on your cigarette. Hey, look at your finger cut. Block the wind for me. I'm a little bit scared. David.
Scared about what?
I've not dived in my own car.
Well, we're just gonna do some skills. Anchor away, skipper! Focus on your breathing. If you do see a shark or something like that, don't start fucking freaking out and breathing fast. Just think about nothing else other than breathing. Nice, deep, long fucking breaths. You see a shark, you start breathing fast, you fuck your buoyancy up, you start floating towards the surface faster. On the surface, you're a snack.
I am a fucking snack. Oh.
Go upright. Not flat.
You make yourself look big.
Yeah.
I'll go like this too.
Not really, you're just showing it that you're not fucking food.
I'll go like this. Come on then, shark.
You see that? Feel that vibration?
Mm-hmm.
Come and feel the chain.
Yep.
That's dragon.
Yeah, okay.
That's the fucking egg going across the fucking bottom, just bouncing.
Okay.
We are on trench warfare.
Trench warfare.
Just got the go ahead for the anchor stay.
See, I'm not very good at this.
Very good, laddie. Yeah, beautiful. He wasn't looking.
Oh, skip! Oh! Skipper!
He gives you the okay, and then, oh yeah, button.
Oh, that's not on! Stop! Stop!
do a little brief. Get the fuck in the water.
Mustard. I'm using Takaya's mask. Thanks, Kiki. Just gonna drink my fucking
You guys are gonna
watery
dive
coffee,
together.
actually.
Yeah. I'm gonna take her down for
I'm
skills.
gonna do what I
And
said.
then we're gonna go
Look at this.
around
Dev's been
slowly, lightly,
snacking
and
last
just
night.
practice your buoyancy.
Snacker.
Is that all good?
Where's the pot?
Oh, we'll probably get it after. I'll just save some air in my cylinder.
My bikini also fell into the lavatory this morning.
And just as fucking support, just in case anything happens or whatever.
Right, that
come
should be
down
better.
there, Film it.
Yeah, right, eh? Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, we'll just
Captain Chop Chop says fucking everything on film. Better have a proof.
making a little fucking behind the scenes see West fucking. I'll get that on film, cunt. Fuck yeah.
That's just like
That's real shit, get it?
I wouldn't have the door. I would have it. I was like, where did you use the toilet yesterday? Just fucking shut the door. There he is, fucking sitting on the toilet, laughing on fucking on shit. Cheers. Shout over his head.
I mean,
Mate,
tastes
there
more
you go.
coffee like, but it's still like
Open the door,
watery
Junior, and
as.
try to cover him facing sideways on the toilet. Not even like just fucking.
So warm this morning.
Yeah, there you go.
First you
Got
need to
tea
get
out
rid
of
of
there,
it.
fucking brekkie out of here. She goes in this one here. Mate, you shut the door out trying to breakfast.
It's feral on this fucking boat.
Speak for yourselves, I'm not feral. I'm very much fucking pleasure.
What? Just can't speak English properly.
Yeah.
A pleasure to
Can someone tell me what she just said?
I'm very much pleasure.
Right down.
But you'll take your time. You'll take your time going down. You won't rush it. You won't go back. Just,
We're going at your speed, not my speed.
yeah, see?
We're going at beginner speed. We're gonna find somewhere flat and we're just gonna chill on the bottom and do skills. And then once you've done those skills, we're gonna go for a wee little dive.
Wee dive, no wee
Yeah.
little, because that means little dive, and I don't want to do a little
No, that's
dive,
how I meant it. It
little
is a
dive.
very little
I'm
dive.
scared, but I don't want to do a little now.
Little.
Fucking hell. Like, I'm a little bit scared, but I want a big black one.
Oh.
But I actually want a little wee one, but I want a big black one. Yeah, I know. So, I know.
I'd already put it halfway in.
Are you actually worried about
Bottom
sharks?
half.
A little bit. I just don't know how I'll react.
You could only be so fucking lucky on a first dive.
So that. One rule, don't stop breathing.
That's exactly what he says to me. He says, just keep breathing.
Just keep breathing.
Because I'm like, our pots are here.
guys,
When we
you gotta
pull
do a
pots,
setup.
we see sharks.
Don't tell me that.
What happened?
Don't tell me that. I'll freak out even more.
If you see a shark, just turn your body upright and face the fucker. That's it. Show it you're not food. Nothing in the ocean fucking.
He'll be fucking
Moves
riding
like
the
this.
thing. Yeehaw!
Slow down, you can't. Just push Shane in front. No, sorry.
Alright,
I'll just push Shane in front. No.
let's build your gear.
They won't come
Don't you know, build it up. Right, I don't know which PCD to put on first.
Proved that the other day.
Let me put my weighty on. I'm going to use Takaya's mask.
Yeah.
I don't. It's just because recently it's happened.
Okay. So grab a cylinder. First bit of this is proper
Where are
setup.
they?